Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to block ads on all games in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now in the search option, you have to search your DNS. Press on private DNS. Here you can see the option of private DNS. Now here you can see three options of automatic and private DNS provider host name. You have to select your private DNS provider host name. And also you have to type here dns.adco.com. Then press on save. That's it. So this is how to block ads on all games in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.